Hi, I'm Dr. Shivadashini. I have secured All India rank of 99 in this AIPGT 2022. I belong to the mentorship course of AAYUSHMAN'S Aim for AIPGT Institute. Since I was late to start my preparation, I was given maximum support from my mentors. And the main thing about the mentorship program is that they used to give us a daily task and daily mock that helped to improve a lot. And whenever I feel low or whenever I feel like giving up, my mentor was there to help me and always supported me, and they always helped me to keep myself on my track. And during the last 10 to 15 days of the exam, I was able to handle all those stress in a very great way just because of my mentor's support, and they used to clarify all the doubts in a great way. I really feel grateful to be the part of AAYUSHMAN'S Institute, and I want to thank all my institute members as well as my mentors. I would like to wish all the future aspirants a great success. Thank you.